we are going to start polishing the mold with wax. What type of wax? It's a special wax, exclusive for fabrication of molds in epoxy or polyester resin. Yeah, it's a special wax. Use the appropriate one. Oh, I have automatic wax. No, this is not the best. Use the appropriate wax. You need to apply the gel coat organize it. In some cases it's with gun, in some cases it's with roller, in some cases it's with brush. You need to apply the gel coat. Normally it's 1, 2 or 3 layers in order to get the thickness appropriate. Now we are going to talk about the thickness. More thickness is better. Alright, you apply the gel coat, and after that we are going to wait until the gel coat is dry. And now we are going to wait 2 or 3 layers of fiberglass. Those layers of fiberglass right now are completely dry, and this is the moment to mark where should be located the stringers, the ball heads, brackets and support. That's the moment to identify where should be located those stringers. Yeah, in this area is the hole empty. In the second one, a lot of people marking, identifying where should be located those stringers, those marks. Don't forget, the manager of the project indicate where should be located, verify the dimensions before the people glue the pieces of foam or plywood on the structure. You remember that those elements will be glued with the fumes of silica, yeah, Q-cell, you remember, and impregnate with the polyester resin and MEK. So the next step is laminate those stringers, those ball heads, those structural elements with 2 or 3 layers of matte and fiberglass resin. Yeah, that's the process. Once again, no bubbles, roller, brushes in the corners, especially in the corners, and we are going to wait other 24 hours until those elements are completely dry, and we are going to verify visual inspection bubbles, that we are going to verify that all of those brackets, those stringers, those supports are properly located. The next step is verify the quality of the surface and the quality of the structure. In that point, a lot of inspectors with a great experience in fiberglass fabrication, they check the quality of the gel coat, the quality of the structure, the quality of the lamination, in order to verify if it's necessary make a small reparation in some areas. They use special tools to verify the thickness of the gel coat and the quality of the fiberglass. This is an important part. Right now that the mold is separated, it's important storage the mold in a dry area, dark area, covered area, and don't forget periodically remove the mold, add it, polish the mold and storage again. And also in some areas it's important verify the thickness of the hole. Normally you can make a hole in the area where you need in the future a true hole, and you verify the thickness and you verify the condition of the sandwich. Remember that you have layers of fiberglass in both sides and gel coat, and you need to verify if those layers are according with the original design. Right? This is a process, probably 1 day, 2 days, only quality control about the hole. This is before you start with the internal configuration of the ball heads and brackets and the internal design of the hole.